Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, in this video, I am going to talk about how we can launch the Amazon Bedrock foundational model on the Amazon Bedrock Playground. Okay, so and then we will get the another $20 credits. So, this video is a part of the series of creating the AWS account and get $200. And already we have completed three steps and we got $60 out of 100. Now this is the fourth one which we are going to create. Okay, so in this one I'll first of all, we should know that what is the Amazon Bedrock Playground. So Amazon Bedrock Playground is a console and platform that provide the foundational model from the Amazon and from another various company like Meta, Anthropics, and like DeepSeeks and all. Okay, so let's start this activities. So I'll click on this link first. Okay, and they have also explained here. Okay, so you can take a note from this and make sure at last they have mentioned like after performing we have to delete our services whatever we are creating, otherwise it will be cause the charge and it will be taken they will take from your credits. Okay, so let's start the activities. And then we have to select the model. Okay, so here are lots of servers AI provider that we have to select. Before that we have to request for access, like in topic we don't have access this one. So for that I'll tell you how you can access. So you can go to the model catalog, and then let's say from Amazon, and these are the Amazon, sorry, I selected AI. So let's Amazon Nova Lite, Nova Pro. Okay, so let's say if you need access to this, you can click on that model, foundational model, and then you can go here. It's saying view. Okay, go to that. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, so once you click on the modify access, it will come to this page. Here, what you have to do, you have to just here it's saying available for request. Okay, so you have to available for request. So I have already requested and got the access. Now we have to go to the playback ground. You have to select the model, so Amazon Pro, and then apply. Here I'll give prompt, uh, write short email for leave for taking the leave in office. Okay, and see it's generated the report. Okay, now let's go to the console and see if we have got the credit. So we have got $20 credits for this, and now out of $100, $80 credits we have got. Another is the create web app using the Lambda one that I'll create a video and we can get this $20 credit also. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and if you are a beginner and if you want to learn AWS Cloud, I have created the course. Please check out in my channel. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.